Hi guys, today in this tutorial we're gonna talk about how to convert Kali into Windows. Yeah, it will convert Kali Linux interface into Windows interface, but the other stuff like tools and command prompt will be same as Kali Linux. Okay, let's try. Simply run command undercover, and you can see Kali undercover mode. Just enter, hit the button on it. So it's converted into Windows. Okay, let us check it if it's working properly or not. So here we open command prompt and you can see it's area@Kali, so it's Kali. Let us check it. We are running command, so here we run apt update. Oops, I ran it without sudo user na. I don't have permissions, so first enter the password for the sudo user. We run sudo su, and now let's check again. And here we're going to check Mac changer. Actually, Mac changer, what the Mac changer do is convert, is hide our Mac's address. So we have already uploaded its full tutorial. You can check it out, and you can see it's working. These commands are working, so it's okay. Now let's check other stuff like what about tool? How could we find it? You can see all the other stuff are same as Kali Linux. It's showing Edge browser logo, but it's actually Firefox. You can check it. Ain't pretty. So let's move back. Let me show you some other thing. Something like you can see file managers options, and here we can go again. So here I open Notepad. You can see it's working same as Kali Linux, but the logo is changed. So okay, let's move on. And here we're gonna check a file manager. Let's leave it. I will show you Windows. What's hidden under the Windows button. You can see it's all Kali Linux tools, Metasploit again. Okay, DNS, TCP, brute force tools, and many other stuff. You can see. So actually, we converted Kali hidden under the Windows. So that's about the tutorial. Let me tell you one thing more. You can also convert it from command prompt, like some users like to use CLIVs. So what you have to do, simple, run sudo apt Kali Linux underground. Apt install Kali Linux underground. It will download it, and mostly it's download already now at the time of installation of main OS, so you don't need to install it. But let's check, it will check you that it's installed or not. So then you have to run sudo underground, and it will automatically convert you. Let's go back to Kali, and here we goes back. Let's check that what we have done under Windows interface, is it still available or it's lost. So here we open terminal to check our work. Here as you can see, it's all the same stuff that we have covered in the Windows terminal. So hope you liked the tutorial. Please subscribe the channel.